The Dank DeMoss versus Lyft case, a closer look at weight discrimination and rideshare responsibility. In a recent lawsuit filed against Lyft, rapper Dank DeMoss alleges that a driver refused to give her a ride due to her weight, sparking a heated debate about weight discrimination and rideshare responsibility. As the case unfolds, it raises important questions about fairness, accessibility, and the role of rideshare companies in ensuring equal treatment for all passengers. The incident: Dank DeMoss, a Detroit-based rapper, requested a Lyft ride. However, when the driver arrived, he allegedly refused to give her a ride, citing concerns about her weight, 554 pounds, and the safety of his vehicle's low-profile tires. DeMoss claims that the driver's decision was a clear case of discrimination, and she has since filed a lawsuit against Lyft. Weight discrimination, a growing concern. Weight discrimination is a pervasive issue in society, affecting millions of people worldwide. According to a study published in the International Journal of Obesity, weight discrimination is more common than discrimination based on race, gender, or age. The study found that 28% of participants reported experiencing weight-based discrimination, with women and individuals with higher body mass indexes, BMIs, being more likely to experience discrimination. Rideshare responsibility, a gray area. Rideshare companies like Lyft and Uber have revolutionized the way we travel, providing convenient and affordable transportation options. However, as the industry continues to grow, questions about rideshare responsibility and passenger rights remain unanswered. In the case of Dank DeMoss, Lyft's terms of service state that drivers are not allowed to discriminate against passengers based on their weight or any other protected characteristic. However, the company's policies also give drivers discretion to cancel rides if they feel that the passenger's weight or size may pose a safety risk. The role of accommodation in rideshare services. The Americans with Disabilities Act, ADA, requires transportation providers, including rideshare companies, to provide reasonable accommodations for passengers with disabilities. However, the ADA does not explicitly address weight-based discrimination or require rideshare companies to provide accommodations for passengers of size. In the case of Dank DeMoss, Lyft could argue that the driver's decision to cancel the ride was based on legitimate safety concerns, rather than discriminatory intent. However, DeMoss and her lawyers argue that Lyft has a responsibility to provide equal access to its services, regardless of a passenger's weight or size. Potential implications of the case. The outcome of the Dank DeMoss versus Lyft case has the potential to set a precedent for weight-based discrimination in the rideshare industry. If the court rules in favor of DeMoss, it could lead to changes in Lyft's policies and procedures, including the implementation of weight-based accommodations and training for drivers on weight-based discrimination. On the other hand, if the court rules in favor of Lyft, it could embolden rideshare companies to prioritize driver safety and discretion over passenger rights and accommodations. Conclusion. The Dank DeMoss versus Lyft case highlights the complex issues surrounding weight discrimination and rideshare responsibility. As the case unfolds, it raises important questions about fairness, accessibility, and the role of rideshare companies in ensuring equal treatment for all passengers. Ultimately, the outcome of the case will have significant implications for the rideshare industry and beyond. As we move forward, it is essential to prioritize inclusivity, accessibility, and respect for all individuals, regardless of their weight or size.